Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone off and removing any case. This prevents slips and accidental screen input. Once done, warm one corner briefly with your breath or a cloth warm to body temperature so adhesive softens a little. You want gentle heat, not hot. Then, using a fingernail or thin plastic pick, insert at the warmed corner and pry just enough to lift the protector edge. You're doing this to separate adhesive, not to flex the glass. You continue by keeping the iPhone flat on the cloth and lifting the corner at a low, steady angle so adhesive peels rather than snaps. Move slowly, about 1 to 2 millimeters per second, and maintain even pressure across the lifted edge to avoid cracking or shards. If you hit resistance, stop and warm that area again for a few seconds to soften the adhesive, then resume from the same spot. This reduces the chance of sudden breaks and keeps the screen safe. You finish by peeling the protector off in a slow, continuous motion until it detaches fully. Place glass on a soft surface to avoid injury. Once removed, clean any adhesive residue with a lint-free cloth and 70% isopropyl, wiping gently in circular motions so you don't reintroduce scratches. If the protector cracks mid-peel, stop, lift remaining sections from a different corner, and use brief heat to free stubborn areas. Make sure to inspect for glass fragments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.